I woke up from a nap and I feel great. Why are you upside down, kitty? You can't get anything if your head is upside down like that. No, kitty.
Is that a string? I love playing with strings. I mean, this is below my IQ average, do you hear me? I will remove it from my sight immediately by slapping it.
Whoa, it's a flurry of kitten. No, no cameras! I hate the paparazzi! That's a smudgy tail. What the hell is this cat doing? She's like, oh god, I touched the foul beast. Oh my god.
Oh god, Meemers, you're looking really cute.
Ooh, is that a string? I'm gonna play with it. I mean, I will study the string for science. What is that blue fluffy stuff? It smells foul.
Meanwhile, in the land of Spudgy,
I'm a shreep.
what do you think of this crazy behavior, little Spudster?
Don't like it, ma'am.
Too much energy.